Hey all you YouTube watchers out there, this is Tori back with another video here on Tor 94 FM's YouTube channel. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different, guys. We're in the middle of a snowstorm here in South Carolina. I am in the Greenville-Spartanburg area of South Carolina. And I was scanning the AM dial and I came across 1210. WPHT in Philadelphia, and today it is now almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm using my CC Radio EP Pro radio, and I'm getting 1210 during the day. Guys, listen to this.
I have a special guest instructor that's actually straight off the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.
Coming in like a local.
Wall Streeter. He's going to be showing you these strategies. Again, pick up the phone, first 10 callers, 877-944-8723.
Now this is awesome, folks. I've been wanting to get Philly during the day for a while, so this is pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching.